How to make a Cash App account under 18. So if you are under 18 and wants to make a Cash App account, follow these steps. Step number 1, download Cash App. So go to App Store iPhone or Google Play Store if you use the Android. After that, search for Cash App and download it. Step number 2, sign up for Cash App. Open Cash App and tap on sign up. Enter your phone number or email. Type the code sent you to your phone or email. Enter the phone name. Choose a cash tag, your username, you can set it, and link your bank account or debit card if you have one. Step number 3, get approved by a parent or guardian. So since you are under 18, you need a parent or guardian to approve your account. Number 1, go to settings in Cash App. Number 2, tap on family account. Number 3, tap request approval. Number 4, enter the parent's or guardian's email or phone number. After that, they will get a request to approve your account. What you can do with a Cash App under 18 account: send or receive money, get a Cash App or debit card with a parent approval, use the Cash App at stores and online. And what you cannot do, you cannot buy Bitcoin stocks, and you cannot use Cash App without parent approval. Now, final tips: make sure your parents approves your account, and if your parents does not approve, your account will not work. Always use real information when sign up. Now you can use the Cash App under 18 with a parent's permission. So this is how to create an account on Cash App under 18. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.